Infinity, parentheses, in set notation, end parentheses, is not a number and therefore requires a parenthesis in set notation. Given an inequality like x is less than or equal to 2, the set of numbers that could be x are the number 2 and everything below 2 down to negative infinity, parentheses, a negative sign with an infinity symbol and an end parentheses. Infinity is not a number, but a concept of either ever increasing numbers in the case of positive infinity, and ever increasing negative numbers, parentheses, or decreasing numbers, and parentheses, in the case of negative infinity. The parentheses and the brackets are used to describe a set of numbers where the parentheses does not include the number, and the bracket does. So x is less than or equal to 2 would be represented by a parenthesis negative infinity, comma 2, bracket. The parenthesis is used on the negative infinity side because negative infinity is not a number and therefore cannot be included and therefore uses a parenthesis. The 2 is included and therefore a bracket is used to show the 2 is included. Another way of representing this set is negative infinity is less than x, which is less than or equal to 2, which says that the set is between negative infinity and 2, with the 2 included. Let's consider another example like x is greater than negative 3. This is the set of numbers greater than negative 3 and continuing to infinity, which is a concept of numbers that increase forever. We can represent the set of numbers as negative 3 is less than x, which is less than infinity, or parenthesis negative 3 comma infinity parenthesis, where a parenthesis is used next to the negative 3 to say that the negative 3 is not included, and a parenthesis is used on the infinity to say that infinity is not included because infinity is not a number, but a concept. Other symbols in math of inclusion or exclusion are the solid dot and open dot, and the solid line and the dashed line. In set notation, infinity requires a parenthesis because infinity is not a number, but a concept, and therefore is excluded from the set. Antonyms, the bracket, related words, solid dot, open dot, solid line, dashed line.